Used to lose. My turn. I still believe in my cards. I draw. This is my key to victory. I activate a spell. All right. I special summon a monster. My monster's effect activates. All right. I special summon a monster. My monster's effect activates. Here I go. Exceed summon. I set this card face down. Let's battle. Playtime is over. I attack with a monster. I've never lost faith in my demon, and I won't start now. I end my turn.
I think I'm going to win. It's my turn. I draw. No matter when we duel, you prove you're the strongest.
I win.